In 1969, Mercedes-Benz introduced an unusual vehicle to the public, the C111. In terms of style, the Weisshep's metallic finish and its extreme wedge shape were pointing to the future, which was already happening in the C111. Bright paint covers a body made out of glass fiber reinforced plastic. The core is a 260 horsepower, three-rotor Wankel engine that can generate top speeds of up to 280 kilometers per hour. But the C111 is far more than a futuristic sports car. It is a rolling test lab for researching the Wankel engine technique. Another version of the experimental vehicle with a four-rotor Wankel engine was released that could sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.8 seconds. As the pioneer of modern research vehicles, the C111 wrote Mercedes-Benz history. A cult object to this day, it never went into mass production, much to the regret of its large circle of fans.
Und siehst du, was auf dem Magnetband noch Zahlen und Zeichen waren, ist hier Wirklichkeit geworden. Tolle Sache!
The C111 even had some customers sending blank checks to Stuttgart, which did not change the fact that all prototypes are not for sale and now stand in the Mercedes-Benz Museum collection.
Mm-hmm.